What's up, everybody? Hey, man, it's Big E. I'm out here today on another fishing adventure. I got baits, lures for trout, snakeheads, and bass. We're gonna see if we can catch out here. Check out my fishing adventure today. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing? I ain't want to startle you, your dogs.
No headphones in, so I could hear you coming.
Okay.
Stay over here. He's very friendly.
All right. How you doing?
He just has a lot of energy.
That's a good thing. Thank you. This is one of 3 spots that I'm gonna fish today. It's good that the water is clear because I can see that a log has floated all the way across, but there's a baby snakehead right there under the log. Y'all see that? That's what I was hoping, that the water is warm enough that I can see the snakehead right there under the log. Y'all see that? I'm definitely gonna get him. And then one just jumped right here. So if the water is that clear today, I'm definitely gonna make sure I catch some snakeheads. I know how to bait them in if I see them. Snakehead right here following my lure. See my lure moving in the water? Gray and orange. It's a snakehead right here. It's creeping up to my lure. I'm gonna just keep it moving just slightly. The snakehead is following me. It's not following the lure. I moved, it followed me. You saw where it just went? It's still right there. I can still see it with my glasses on. Snakehead right in the picture, right there. That little black line, see it moving? That's a snakehead right there. Alright, y'all. My first spot that I fished today, I ain't had no luck. It's snakeheads that's swimming around, but it's not biting. In the shallow water, I'm talking about less than a foot deep. So I'm gonna move to another spot and see what I can do at spot 2. I'm gonna fish 3 spots today. Let's see what happens. I'm about to cast out. I put another Berkeley mouse tail on here. They snatched the tail off the other one, left me with nothing but the white ball. So I'm gonna cast out upstream and let it float down. First cast, spot number 2. Let's see. First bait, first fish on the Berkeley pile bait. I think that's bird.
Right. Is it an eagle?
I don't know. I just saw it move.
It does look like, I don't know, no? No, from that deep, it's not.
Yeah, big old fish.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, is he about to fly off with it?
It should have let me catch it.
It is a big fish though.
That's so cool. I want it to fly off. too happy for him.
Yeah, he got it out, but they ain't got to figure out what he gonna do with it.
That's a big bird, man. That might be a hawk.
Look at those wings.
It's an osprey or something. It's a big one.
Thank you.
Oh well, spot number 2, I got a bunch of hits. They snatched off my tail to my power bait a lot. I did catch a big, nice sized sunfish. So I'm gonna move on to spot number 3. I see that it's a big old bird that done got a fish a little bit downstream from where I'm going to fish. So let's hope I have some success. Coming to spot number 3. Let's check it out. Let's get an overview of the water real quick. Set this bucket down. All right, let's get an overview of the water. Fall from up here. Man, I don't know what to tell you. Hopefully somebody with you that can call the ambulance for you, because you definitely gonna be hurt. But you can see straight down in the water. Up, there go the bird. It got the fish. It got the fish. Look at that bird again, y'all. Landed in the street this time. It got a fish. It couldn't hold the fish, so it landed in the street. That joint got a fish. Fly, bird, fly. Bird call, fly.